Nobody wants dry, damaged or rough hair, right? No matter what your hair type may be, we bet that you want to have a soft, shiny, healthy looking mane. But the truth is, most of us probably have some form of hair damage thanks to heat styling tools, hair coloring, and even our genetics. And while we can't teach you how to repair damaged hair, you can surely improve the look and feel of your damaged hair. So, if you want to discover how, watch this video. Take a minute to look at your hair. Is it dry, dull, or frizzy? Do you see split ends or breakage? If you answer yes more than once, chances are you have damaged hair. This is a serious problem that needs to be taken care of. How? Stay tuned. Number 1. Get regular trims. If you've been growing out your hair for what feels like forever, it's important to get regular trims to remove dry and split ends. You cut your nails and exfoliate your face, right? Basically, it's the same idea. Cutting off those dead ends prevents splits from traveling up your hair and breaking off even more length. Even if your hair isn't very long, split ends can make it hard to style, and they can also contribute to it feeling hard or coarse. Number 2. Moisturize your hair. The best way to repair damaged strands of hair is to make sure they are adequately moisturized and hydrated. Use whatever you're comfortable with, a hair serum, a hair oil, or a hair mask to achieve this purpose. If you are using an oil or serum, the ideal way to do it is to apply it to your hair from root to tip. Hair mask and deep conditioners both hydrate and strengthen hair at the same time. A hair mask is a convenient way of ensuring potent healing and repair benefits to dry and damaged hair. Hair masks are a special type of conditioning. They contain high concentrations of reparative and moisturizing ingredients like vitamins, oils, and naturally sourced elements. Masks keep working even after you rinse them. Use your hair treatment mask twice a week or more faithfully, and don't be in a hurry. The longer you leave it on, the more effective it will be. Don't brush your wet hair. Every hair is at its most vulnerable when it's wet. The potential for damage really accelerates if your wet hair is fine, curly, or fragile. Never try to pull a brush through your wet hair unless it's a brush specifically designed for the task. And as a general rule, if you're brushing wet hair, make sure you're applying a leave-in product to help the brush slide through without any snagging or breakage. This will help to nourish damp hair, disguise split ends, and lay down the hair's cuticle for a healthy, shinier look. 4. Use hair sunscreen. All the time spent outside can take a toll on your hair. Just like the skin, UV exposure can also cause breakage or even hair loss. Hair sunscreen is really important to protect your strands. If you are spending some time out in the sun, pop on a hat or apply hair sunscreen, don't worry, it won't leave your hair greasy. 5. Limit chlorine exposure. Limit soaking your hair in the pool. Pools are full of chlorine, which sucks natural oils from your hair, leaving it dry, rough, and damaged. If you are a swimmer or spend lots of time with your hair in the water, use a cap to protect your hair against chlorine, and don't forget to apply hair masks afterward. 6. Use essential oils. Essential oils are all wonderful elixirs for damaged hair. Invest in oil such as argan oil, which contributes fatty acids and vitamin E. Coconut oil will also leave your hair soft and manageable. When your hair is feeling extra rough, such as after a dip in the pool, use a little argan oil to add softness back into the strands. Other essential oils like peppermint oil and lavender oil may also help stop hair loss and prevent breakage. 7. Don't wash your hair every day. Shampoo removes dirt and sweat from your hair, but it also rips the scalp of its natural oils. Sebum is the natural oil that makes your hair easier to maintain and keeps it shiny. Washing your hair too often can remove the important oils from your scalp too early before they get the chance to work their way down the hair shaft and nourish your entire length. 8. Loosen up your style. Certain styles pull on the hair and cause it to fray or break. Take a break from tight hairstyles if you're seeing a ton of split ends and breakage while styling. When you're working to restore your hair to health, it's best to completely avoid styles that are hard on the hair. Now, while all these tips can help slowly combat hair damage, sometimes the problem is more severe than that, and you'll need to seek medical help to repair your hair. For example, when hair damage and general hair problems are genetic. In that case, if they are caused by hormonal issues like thyroid, postpartum hormones, and so on, or if the damage has been done to such an extent that it is beyond repair at home, it is time to consult your doctor, who could address the issue with targeted products, supplements, or treatments that repair excessively damaged hair. We hope you learned something new from this video. If you did, subscribe to this channel right now. Which of the tips from this video will you try out first? Using sunscreen or using essential oils? Let us know by sharing your view in the comment section down below.